Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, you might have seen by the title and thumbnail, is that we are putting this ducktail spoiler on the WRX right behind me. It's going to be a nice little install, I believe. Just a couple screws and some double-sided sticky tape, and we are on the road to glory. As you can see here, just by the duck bill itself, that I got a color match instead of carbon fiber. I got color match because it's going to flow with more of what I'm trying to do with the car. So that's pretty much the only reason I got it. It's not even my front lip isn't even carbon fiber. So yeah, it just shows how poor I am. But yeah, so I got this. Then we're gonna show you how to install it. Should be a good one today. Really excited. So yeah. So really the only thing that you have to worry about when tackling the stock spoiler right here is you gotta take this back panel off. It's only held on by push clips. Like I've said in many videos before, this entire car is made out of push clips. So you have to take out all these push clips right here. You don't have to worry about the mechanism or anything. And then there's going to be a couple bolts that hold in the stock spoiler right there. And then once we get this off, then it's pretty straightforward from there. You just undo the two bolts, and then you got which are going to be reused in the wing right there. There's one bolt on each side, and boom. Yeah, so let's I'll catch you guys back up when we take this little panel off. It's just you just push out with the push clips. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so now that you have taken your trunk liner or your trunk lid liner off, now it's going to be to the part where it comes to the bolts. There's going to be, I believe they're 8mm, could be wrong, but there's one right here. You're going to just see it right under this lip when you're doing it at home. And there's going to be another one on the other side, right there. So you're going to take those two out, and then there's going to be a series of clips, I believe, that run across the wing right here, just along the bottom. And then after that, the wing should just come right out. And yeah, so we're gonna take those two bolts out, pop those clips, and the wing is out of here. The stock spoiler. So I'm gonna catch you guys up when I'm done taking those bolts out, and we'll get to it. So check it out. I got the stock little spoiler off. So as you can see on the back, it had 3 clips and the 2 bolts that were holding it on. Then you're just kind of left with a super gross bare trunk. So what you're gonna want to do now is and this just literally for me it was so easy. I just pulled on one side, and basically the entire thing came off. Probably because, oh, hey there, hey trunk. Probably because it's still kind of a newish car. This is a 2020, so I mean it wasn't like hasn't sat outside for a long time. So I mean it came off pretty easy. And it was a hot day too, so it's not like it was gonna stick to anything. This is just foam, I guess to prevent some rattles. But yeah, stock spoiler is off. Now it's time to clean it up, and I want to test fit the new one so we get to see what that looks like before we get too crazy into it. But yeah, so we are just chugging along. as they say. And so yeah, I'm gonna clean this up with some microfiber, and we are almost ready to start putting the tape on the other trunk. All right, so as you can see, we have all of the sticky tape on there. I did this side in sections because I didn't think it would be flexible, I guess you could say, but on the top, or what's going to be on the back, you can see that I managed to do it in all in one go. So I think the plan is now that we're going to lay it on there and then put a piece of tape on the edge. It's like Scotch tape on the edge, and then put another piece on the trunk to where it's lined up. And then once we got lined up, we'll peel this tape off, and then we'll put it on the car, and then bada bing, bada boom, wing is on. All right, so it's been a minute. Clearly been a minute, but I got everything put back together. I put all 8 of the clips back on there. So it's only, so I got the tape on. I ended up using the whole roll just to put more on the car itself, just for added security. But that's the trunk shut. Peep it. And of course it's gonna be super windy, but that's what it looks like. Here, this is about a 3/4 angle. But you know, you could definitely see it. It ain't no slouch wing. But the only kind of issue that I'm having is back here. Is you can press on it. It's not wanting to stick all that well. I might just try and find a way to put like a rag and like a small C clamp on there, clamp it down and see what happens. But I mean, it's made out of fiberglass, so I guess that you do give it some wiggle room. I still needed to clean the fingerprints off. Yeah, as long as you clean the trunk and clean the wing, spoiler, whatever you want to call it, as long as you clean it really well, then you shouldn't have any problems. I just used 50/50 isopropyl alcohol. That did the trick. I cleaned everything up nicely, and then just had a little ruler and measured it out. Well, measured out each side. Each side looks perfect. And yeah, it's just so far so good. I'm gonna let it cure, and then I'm probably gonna come out tomorrow and see the final results. That's all I have for you guys in this video. If you liked it, please give it a like, and don't forget, while you're down there, might as well hit that subscribe button and post notifications on. That helps a brother out. And if you like seeing this kind of content, just write down in the comments, or tell me what you'd like to see next. So yeah, with all that being said, I got 2 videos popping up right now. I'll keep you updated on the tape status, if you want to call it that. But yeah, looks great. I literally can't stop looking at it. Looks awesome. So I got 2 videos popping up right now. I'll see you next time. Later.